To enable R scripts visual feature in Power BI Desktop, we need to go to the File, Options and Setting, Options, R Scripting. In the R scripts options, you have the two fields to fill. First one is to choose home directory for R, which means you need to first install a R engine and select the installed R engine location for this field. To install a R engine, we may click the link How to install a R. It brings us to the Microsoft Learning site regarding where to download R engine and how to install it. The second field is to choose which R IDE integrated development environment, for example, the R Studio, which is the R IDE you want Power BI Desktop to launch. You also need to install a R Studio. To know what benefit we need R Studio and how to install a R Studio, click the link Know More about IDEs. It brings us to the site to know the benefit by using R IDEs, where to find and how to install a R Studio. I personally like very much the feature Edit Script in External IDE, as it can have our Power BI desktop data automatically imported and displayed in the R IDE. From there, we can modify the script in external R IDE, then pass it back to the Power BI desktop to create the Power BI visuals and reports. Once above installation and setting done, we can start to work on R scripts creation for drawing advanced visual plot in Power BI Desktop. We can work on the scripts directly in Power BI R Script Editor, or we can use the external R Studio to create the R scripts. Then copy and paste the scripts into Power BI R Script Editor.